I'm looking for a German Shepherd.
You lost one, and you hoping to adopt?
Adopt.
We don't get many purebreds.
All right, you know what? Thank you. I'm sorry, but
We got a lot of great dogs. I mean, let me take you out back. Take a look. You never know.
You think he could be a canine dog?
She could be anything.
He's got very worried parents. I want good news for him.
I know you can do it.
We have him. Grave condition. Send medic.
Are you kidding me?
Hey, shut up! Everyone stop talking!
It's Ruby. Wait, you're the lady from the shelter.
You found my son?
Yeah, it wasn't me. It was Ruby. She led the way.